Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. Just open your settings application like this and select general tab and just scroll up. Then you can see here option of date and time, open it. Now you can see here there's option for 24-hour time. Just tap on that button. Now you can see here our time is 11:38 a.m. So we can just tap on this one. Now it is converted to 24 hours, but this is morning. So 11 p.m. 11 is almost same like that 11. So there is no changes, but in night that's changed to 23. So that's guys, you can simply turn on the 24-hour time in your device. And I recommend you must use 2 or 3 weeks with the 24 hours time to just habitat that 24-hour time. It is very useful because especially some areas like airport, railway stations, and some official places, they are using the 24-hour time. So it is useful in your life if you are just mingle with that. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.